Look. See? Coyote picks up roadkill too.
Roadkill.
That's an otter.
Otter.
Check that out. That's cool.
Ain't it? You know what it is?
Go ahead, start explaining.
This is an old logging rig to move logs up and down the rivers, but they also have it so it'll go up on the train tracks.
And if I'm not mistaken, this is steam built, steam driven.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. I bet you if we had something like that on the Roadrunner, it wouldn't get very good gas mileage, but it wouldn't get stuck.
Right?
That is cool.
And
Hey, Coyote walked past a button and didn't touch it.
I've hit all the buttons once here. But check this out right here. Get you a video of that. Watch out for the glares.
I know, that's why I said I need to go stop by a store and get me some sunglasses.
But see, this is that rig right here.
Look at the size of the machine that it took to pick that thing up.
And real men there. And see, that's it. That's that on the train tracks.
That's what it looks like on the tracks.
Yep, that right there.
I didn't think you were supposed to ride on the clam bunks, but they're riding on the log.
Yep. Real men did that. the people nowadays.
And this is more of a modern. It's still old for us, but
yeah. See, this is the old control.
Ooh, one of my favorite toys.
This is the old control station for when the trains came through here, because they go up toward Rainier and then run the White River to push the logs down.
But
because the White River is just right there.
and look, I'm gonna get to try one of these Coyote burgers that he brags about so much.
Wally Burgers.
Wally Burgers. So and
if you ever
Kay, Miss Kay, if you're watching, I told him that we needed to wait for you, but he said no.
No, she don't like burgers.
But look at this old Dozer.
All of this is that old stuff.
This is what they were using to move the trees and make landings and stuff. And I don't know what that is, but it looks like it looks like what you put on the back of a tractor.
It's a log mover.
We need one of
It
those.
straddles a log and picks it up.
Look, these old tires, but they're still standing. Oh, look at all the old chainsaws.
Check out this old shack.
An old log cabin.
Yeah. Those are pictures when it was original.
Oh, look, Devil Dog, they even got a little one for you. Joking. That looks fun to run too.
Right? Check out that wagon.
Hey, and they got one more Texans Down Under speed right there. Horse driven.
And they got the bell. And I want the racing wagon.
Look, everywhere we take him, he's like a kid in a candy store.
How about that candy store?
Ooh, Devil Dog. Belt loop. Wouldn't you love to have one of these sitting in your garage? I wouldn't have it sitting. I'd be running it. But somebody might have trouble starting it because you got to crank it. It's got a cranker on the front. Some cool old oiler cans.
A gold shaker.
Jeffrey, this is for you, brother.
Old gold shaker.
You know what that is. And it's belt driven. Unfortunately, if I see any gold in there, I can't get it.
Right?
This is a little more my speed.
I like that. And see, here's pictures of people coming through the Natchez Pass. That's an
And
old
there's
Bob.
an old bicycle up there. That's more Bob's speed.
Check this out. Old reins and stuff. But
What is that? An old-fashioned air conditioner?
see right here? They're going down the Natchez Trail, which is up here. We'll go past the Natchez Trail later. We're gonna go up to Mount Rainier.
It's
right
somewhere
there.
over yonder.
Mount Rainier is right there.
And yes, that's Mount Rainier. We're going up now.
We're gonna head up there right here in a bit.
Look at these old.
So we
That's
had-
probably an old school.
Check out this wagon. It's even got springs on it.
It looks like a tea bucket.
Right?
And see, that right there for the hitch for the tree.
But no, look right there.
That I want to make one of those
Look
just like that, but I want to use it for skinning.
Look right there. Look at that old foothold. You see that old foothold?
Oh yeah. Check that out. I actually had some of those.
I want one of those. I want
Look at the old saddles, and that right there is what they used to put on the pack mules to pack stuff.
Yep.
And those ain't real.
That's the bunkhouse and the.
Look, got the bunkhouse
Oh, that's the
or
bunkhouse.
the blacksmith shop.
This is the blacksmith shop.
This would be my favorite place right here.
Yep. This would be Matt's place right here.
I need to make me one of those signs.
Hey, look at this.
And that was the old pulley systems that they used to use to pull the logs.
Yep.
That's what they used to cover the seed when they planted. That is an old school rake for hay, but they used it for other stuff like straw. They conveniently have some new modern stuff here, but that's typically what you would see coming out off of these.
Yep. Pretty cool, huh? Switch.
Yep. Hey, Marino. He's messing with stuff again.
Don't work.
And Squirrel, look. I didn't have to use a magnet, but I found some railroad spikes.